we are coming at you with another this or that, or both of them. Now you can choose that too. People don't know that. We finna open the doors of the church. You know what I'm saying? So this is Miss June, and the color is mixed crimson. You remember when Dresser was fake kicking Eddie Kane? Julianne is a little bit more wavy, a lot more body. June has the framing layers around the face, and then the back is a little bit more straight. My mail lady just got a new van, so it's sometimes the van roll up and it's a little bit bigger than her mail truck. She wants to spread the gospel, so sometimes she'll switch up between her mail truck and her minivan so she can be an example. You can get your minivan too in life. So she is delivering the mail and the message.
I can preach this if I want to.
Okay, let's get into these two wigs. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. I'm coming to you with a slay today. We are coming at you with another this or that, and that is basically where we take two products that are similar. They may be from the same company, they may not be, it just depends, but they have very similar qualities. So we're going to take these two products and we're going to compare and contrast them, and this is for a specific reason, and I'm going to tell you the reason. We're finna open the doors of the church, but first, allow me to take a moment to show love to my subscriber today. Bam! Cousin on my YouTube side. You the bomb. Y'all, I'm excited about this one because we're using burgundy, reddish sort of vibes, and I love like burgundy red, 99J, purples, you know what I'm saying? Cinnamony colors. It just does something for me. I like it. I like those type of hair colors. So I'm gonna bring you two wigs. Child, listen, do y'all ever hear stuff sometimes and literally stop what you're doing? Wait a minute, and then to be the mail lady or something, and you be like, oh, okay. My mail lady just got a new van, so it's sometimes the van roll up and it's a little bit bigger than her mail truck. Sometimes she use her regular van. I guess she's trying to show it off amongst the neighbors and stuff. She want to show y'all that her van is popping, and she want to show y'all that she been blessed and what can happen if you just do the right things. You can get you a new van too. And she wants to spread the gospel, so sometimes she'll switch up between her mail truck and her minivan so she can be an example. You can get your minivan too in life. So she is delivering the mail and the message.
I can preach this if I want to.
Okay, let's get into these two wigs. These are the two wigs that we're going to be styling and profiling today, okay? This or that. This one right here, I have never worn before. This is Janet Collection Extended Part Lace, extremely deep part lace. Now, you know I'm coming like Moses when it comes to these parts. I don't necessarily want them wide, but I want them long. I want them parts to be so ignorant. I want my part to come back, okay? I want my parts to come back like that. I want my parts to be so ignorant. I want my part to stop back here. I want it to be ignorant on top of ignorant. So this is Miss June, and the color is mixed crimson. And they have lots of colors, y'all. They have tiger orange, ooh, golden bronze, sugar brown. Of course, they have 1B, 2, 613, OET, 4, 613, all that. The point of this is the color. And we're going to be comparing that to, y'all, one of my favorite wigs, if y'all don't already know. Miss Julianne. This is not the 24-inch. This is the OG Julianne in the color red velvet. This or that, or both of them. Now you can choose that too. People don't know that. You know what's another choice? Now one. Hopefully I try to pick stuff that hopefully y'all gonna like at least one, but okay. We don't force nobody to like stuff over here. This is where we are with it, okay? This is a nice brown lace, honey. This might really go with my coffee olay. June is coming through with the color. Come on, Miss June. Looks like there's going to be some layers off in the front. Okay. So we have 3 combs. We have 2 right here on the side of the part. That's the part right there. We have a comb off in the bike. Bam. We should have an adjustable strap. Generally, there is one. I'm sure there's one. Bam. There is no elastic band here. So that's that. I don't know how important that is to you. If it's important, you may want to just purchase some elastic and sew it on there. This is a nice extended part, you guys. So that is right up my alley. And this wig is $39.95. They're gonna get that little 95 cents, okay? Miss Julianne, DRFF Red Velvet. Ooh, bam. You remember when Dresser was fake kicking Eddie Kane? Come on with the color. This is where we are with the construction. 2 combs off to the side, 1 comb off to the back. Now, I want y'all to pay attention to the construction of these 2 wigs. This is the reasoning behind this or that. Now that we have kind of grown together in this wig game, I know there are certain things that I like. So when I'm buying wigs, I'm looking for certain things. As you guys are growing your wig IQ, you should be looking for certain things too that work best for you. There's a lot of things that we can compare so that you can start to streamline your desires in this wig game. You see?
There is a reason for the season.
Now, this one does have an elastic band, okay? So you can get it on as snug as you would like, but it is not detachable. So, so if you don't want this, you're gonna have to just cut it off. That's it, that's all. Julianne in this color is $65.95. And just like with June, the prices vary depending on what color you choose. That is the price for this color. So we have some things to think about. Which works better for your overall look, your overall abilities, and what you want for your jacket pocket. Okay, we're looking at all of these things. Julianne is a little bit more wavy, a lot more body. June has the framing layers around the face, and then the back is a little bit more straight. It has a little kind of like feathery effect at the end. Which one you going with, June or Julianne? Or both of them? Or neither one? Yeah, the choice is yours. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Just like that, you are part of the family. Hit the like button. It not only helps the analytics, it helps me grow, but it helps other people find this video. Let's go ahead and slay these wigs, y'all, and then let me know in the comments which one you feeling. Okay, y'all, let's see, this or that. Let's get it.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming.